I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all want to see? I've been shopping. I know you want to see, because I want to see. Well, all of this ain't mine, but I'm going to make a video so y'all can see what I got. So we will start with the first package. Oh, these are the boots I ordered. This is wrapped different. These are supposed to be leather. Last time I ordered some boots, they wasn't leather. I don't know. Well, that's why I like to order from Amazon, because if you don't like it, you can send that shit back. Oh, they is wide calf. Oh, they feel like, I don't know. They wide calf for fat girls. So, they look cute. They ain't really for winter, they just for cuteness. But they keep your legs warm in the wintertime, so. Oh, shoot. So we will try those on with some socks. I think they're cute. Uh-oh. Oh, this is because they got it wrapped up. I guess this is easier for shipping. I have some boots like this. Mine were Bandolinos, but my feet grew, so they're too short. So I think I donated them to the Goodwill. So cute, cute, cute. And then I box. I usually have this little pull thing. Amazon must know sometimes you buy stuff with the intentions that you gonna send that shit back. So that's why I like Amazon, and I pay for my Prime membership, because I'm the boss of me. And these are for you, Mom. So cute. I got a zipper on the side. I got a little fake fur on the inside. I think these are 11 wides. These are leather. What you think? Girl. Kind of cute, huh? Mm-hmm. You like the zipper on the side? Yeah. I ordered these in two colors, black and this color. I got the black in 11, and I got these in 11 wides. Yep, these are called Cora Chai. Cora Chai. 11 W's. Clark's. These are leather too. Oh, this. All right. I know this is for my Crocs. This is for my new Crocs. Oh, these are too cute. Oh yeah. When I put them in my Crocs, I'll take a picture. I just got a couple of new pairs of Crocs. I don't think I took any pictures, but these are so cute. Oh my goodness, look at them. Butterflies. Oh, oh, too cute. Mom, don't worry about it, Mom. You know I'm bling bling. You know I'm bling bling. I got a whole box. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, looks like this is for you. I got some kids. This is for you. And these are a leather medium. What are these called? Camp boots. Wait. These were cheap. Uh-oh. Is this? These are for you, Mom. They soft. They got nice grip. These are Dream Shield Water and Stain Repellent. Dream Foam. Okay. You're gonna be trying on for a while, girl. Oh, okay. These are the black ones. I think the black ones are really cute too, but this is the regular medium. The other ones are wide, so whichever one you like first is the one you try on. But I think the black ones are nice. What you think, Ma? Is this something you wanted? Something like this?
Yeah.
They're cute, huh? See what the inside looks like. Yeah, the shoestring is flexible. But it's got the zipper on the side. You ain't gotta really do the string. I don't know why I was stretching it out, but it's got the zipper on the side. Okay. And then these are for me. These are the last ones in the box. I think I have 3 more pair coming tomorrow. Sorel. Oh, it's these. I know. I think I ordered you a pair of these too. I wasn't sure if you would like these or not because they're kind of hot. Let me move this box so you can see. Oh. I like them because they kind of remind you of combat boots, but you got the fake. You got the zipper on the side. Let me see. Oh, these are 10s, so these are for me. These are leather too. What you think of these, Ma?
Okay.
They're kind of high.
Yeah, okay, look at them in the bottom for the gripping.
Look. It's got good grip. These are called Emily Short Lazy Cozy Waterproof. Just because they're waterproof don't mean that they are warm. They just keep your feet dry. So, okay, that's all I have in this boot haul for fall. So when the other boots come tomorrow, I'll catch them on video and I'll show y'all. I think these are cute. These are so soft. These are cute. Deuces, peace out.